In this session, we're going to go ahead and download two different images to submit into the assignment. So the two images are, one is top view, so essentially going from the top, and the other one is going to be bird's eye view, so something along this line right here. So let's go through the process on how to get the bird's eye view and also how to get the top view. So first and foremost, let's take a look at the assignment. The assignment here say export to PNG file. We're going to go ahead and capture the two images file, and then one is top view, one is bird's eye view. The assignment itself will look something like this. Okay, you're gonna have one top view, one bird's eye view. Let's go through the process now on how to complete that. Complete the export. You go to three little line on the top left hand corner. Go to download and click on PNG. When you go to PNG, up on the top right hand corner, there are preset views that you can click on. The one we want is going to be the middle one, is the top view. Zoom into it to capture the best view possible, so something along this line, and press export as ping and say export. Once you have that ready to go, you're going to be able to do the second view. So the second view is going to be a bird's eye view. So bird's eye view is something along this line. So imagine if you were a bird and you were flying and you're looking down. So capture something that looks like this, that allow you to kind of view the entire house in a 3D format. So once you get that, click on the three little lines, top left hand corner, click on download PNG again, and click on export as ping. Press export and you should be able to download the file. Once you have the two file, go back to the assignment and to replace these images. To replace the image, click on the image you want to replace. On the top on the top middle corner here, it says replace image. Click on replace image and say upload from computer. Go to download, that's where your file is at. Mine has a lot, yours should be easily found. And for that case, you're going to find the file you want and press upload, and that will replace this image. You will do the same thing for this image here.